Welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about immutability characteristics of string. So before getting on, let us see how string class is being defined. So we can see that string class is of final type. So we are aware that if a variable or a class is going to be of final type, once declared, we will not be able to change it. So by this itself, we can actually make a conclusion that string is immutable. So you can ask me that I can perform some concatenation operations on online string. So isn't that possible? Isn't that we will not be able to modify the string? So yes, we will be able to perform concatenation operation, but will it modify the string? Let us see that. So I'm going to declare a string str1 hello, and I'm performing concatenation operation in the string by concatenating world. Now if I try to print the output, I should be getting hello world, but I'm able to see only hello is getting printed. So what is happening in the background? So when I first initialize here str1 is equal to hello, I will be there will be a memory created for me with the value as hello, and it will be pointed to str1. So when I'm going to concat, the value will not will get modified while performing concatenation. It will be actually creating a concatenation in the new memory location. So that is why when we are trying to print str1, it is actually pointing to hello alone. Hello alone. It is not get it is not pointing to the concatenated memory location. So that is why when we reassign str1 is equal to the concatenated value, and now if we try to print the output, we will be getting hello world. So now you can see that after I reassign the reference of str1, I can see that hello world is getting printed. So this is what is getting this is what is happening in the background. Now let us talk about string constant pool. So I will be declaring str1 is equal to hello, and another string str2 is equal to hello. So usually to compare the strings, we will be using dot equals str1 dot equals this method we will be using. But to compare the references, we will be using equal to. So this will actually compare the references, not actually the value of the string. So now if I'm uh, going to print whether if str1 reference is equal to str2, I will be getting it as true. So what is actually happening in the background? So when I declared str1, so inside heap we will be having a setup called string constant pool. So I let us see the purpose of it. So when I declare the str1, it will be pointing to the it will be creating a new memory location for me with the value, and it will be pointing there. So second time when I'm creating str2, it will not actually create a new memory location for me. Instead, it will be checking whether the value is already there, and it will be pointing the reference of str2 there. So the purpose of this is that when we have lot of suppose let us say we are going to have 100 variables, then all that will occupy memory. So in this way we can reduce the memory usage. So now let us see the another way of declaring. So suppose I'm having a str3, and I'm requesting for a new string of str2. So you can guess that now str2 and str3 should be equal, but it is not. So let us see what is happening in the background. So when we request for a new string, it will be actually creating us a new memory inside the heap rather than checking or creating memory location in the string pool. So that is why str2 str2 reference and str3 reference are not equal. So if you want to point the new string, which is instead of creating a memory location, if you want to check in the string pool while creating a new string itself, then you can also use intern. So now if you are trying to check str2 and str3, it will be actually the reference of both will be actually true. So I hope this video helped. If you want any exercises based on this, do let me know. Thank you. Bye.